Hello. Hello. This is Mr. Majureruin. And today, we've got this awesome remote control helicopter. Look at it. It's lovely. It flies. Well, it should be. So, I'm just gonna mess around with this. Kinda scared what it's gonna do. Oh, I don't know why, but it takes a few seconds to warm up. There it goes. Alright, it's ready. So, I'm just gonna Mr. Rogers intro here. Zip up my jacket thing. Zip, 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 zip. Just like Mr. Rogers. So I got this helicopter. Small room. Yeah, not good for helicopter flight. Just gonna practice my helicoptering. Okay, perfect. Don't crash. No, not fighting. Go away. Not fighting. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, dangerous. Oh, man. Well, test 1 completed. Okay. Helicopter. Test 2. No. You are feisty. No. Try 2. 2 failed. Oh man, look at my Thomas Band-Aid. Oh, it's hard to see, but it's Thomas. Da. Oh, Wonder Cat. You like helicoptering? I like helicopter. It's okay. Watch. We can ninja out of the way. Oh man. Oh. We can't ninja out of the way. Wonder Cat, say hello to the internet. Hello to the internet. Yeah. Internet. Okay, good. Go away. Okay. You don't want to smell that. See, look, I finally got the hang of it. Oh man, hang of it. Oh man, oh man. I don't have a hang of it. See it? It's good. Good. Wait, is this thing supposed to spin? Is this one supposed to spin? Oh yeah, it does spin. Just a little bit. Back up. You break up. Okay, down. Got it. Everything under control. Oh no! Oh yeah, got it. Okay. No, limo.
It doesn't.
Okay, so there it is. Wonder Cat. Oh man, I don't have enough hands. I can't control where it goes. I don't have much control over it anyway. Oh man, no, not towards the chain. Oh, down, okay. Up. There it is. Oh man, I got a low battery. No. Oh, I got a low battery on my camera, so. Dude, I'm not even doing that. I just fell. Whatever. Majureruin. God bless you. Adidas. That means goodbye in Spanish. I don't advise you to believe everything I say, so yeah, that's it, guys. Adios to the internet. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Wonder Cat. My Wonder Cat. Oh. Stupid.